Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Porsche key battery. First, gather your tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2032 coin cell battery. It's important to work on a clean, well-lit surface to avoid misplacing any small components. This simple process can save you a trip to the dealership and keep your key fob functioning perfectly. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Locate the small release button, usually on the side or back, and press it to release the mechanical key. Once the mechanical key is out, you'll see a small seam or notch. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the key fob casing. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR 2032 battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver. Now, insert the new CR 2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper contact and functionality. Almost done, carefully snap the two halves of the key fob casing back together until you hear a click, ensuring it's sealed properly. Then, slide the mechanical key back into its slot. Test your key fob to confirm it's working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.